Ladies and gentlemen, quick video showing you how to change out your ambient air temperature if you're getting some really wacky readings in your cluster. As far as temperature goes, this can affect your AC, heat and cold as well. No tools needed, just your fingers and a little bit of elbow grease, meaning, Anyway, the part is really cheap. It's a $15 to $25 part. Labor is crazy if you take it to the dealership, so I'm going to show you how to get that changed out and get your car working again. Let's go. Notice how this says 185 degrees Fahrenheit. That's because the circuit is open. It's get really high. Very low resistance to no resistance is a high number. That's one way that it fails. The opposite way that it fails is it'll give you a very low outside reading, like maybe 0 degrees Fahrenheit. If you come all the way down to the grill and you go all the way in there, you will see the sensor right there. So pop your hood. Then come around. And just looking down, you're not gonna see it. So to gain access without taking off a whole bunch of plastic, like this plastic piece right here, we don't want to take that off. We come up, take this off, put it out of the way, and we're gonna remove this air intake. I'll pull this out, get that out of the way. So I'm gonna send my camera back in there. And we're looking at it right there. That's the sensor, the electrical connection. So I'm gonna put my super duper fat fingers and hand in there. If my hand can do it, I'm thinking anybody's hand can. And we're gonna reach in there and we're gonna turn it. And so far, if you look at the connection, I've just taken off the electrical connection. And I've turned it much like you would turn a bulb. And this is the outside temperature sensor right here in my hand. Look at the connections. This is responsible for giving you your temperature, your outside ambient temperature. That shows you the reading in the cluster. This part goes bad sometimes. Most often you'll get some indication of the part being bad on the cluster. It's a really tight fit. What you would then do, putting in the new one, is you put it in, you turn it clockwise so it locks into place. You feel it lock, and then you connect your electrical. Your electrical can only fit one way, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to take you guys back down into the belly, the front bumper, and you see that hole right there. I'll bring it in focus. That's the hole where it'll get connected. I have the electrical connection hanging out right below it. And we're going to put it inside that hole, push it in, and turn it clockwise. So I kind of have it in there, but not all the way in. Okay? Needs to be pushed in and turned. Hear that snap? Then you turn it, and then you pull on it to make sure that it doesn't pop out. Once that's there, the electrical connection that I have, I'll connect it, and I'm just gonna turn the sensor such that It's upright. The pins are up and down, and the pins are facing away from that, away from this. So I have better access. I'm going to grab the electrical connection. Let's go take a look and see what our reading is. And there we go. 62 degrees Fahrenheit is now being read. Look at the miles, guys. 255,865 miles on my ML350. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.